The future of artificial intelligence is no longer a distant prediction. It is unfolding in real time across industries, nations, and everyday life. From healthcare and education to finance, robotics, and art, AI is reshaping the very structure of modern civilization. In just a few short years, AI has evolved from simple pattern recognition tools to complex multimodal systems capable of reasoning, creating, and understanding context across languages, images, sound, and movement. This rapid acceleration has sparked one of the most significant technological shifts in human history. AI is no longer defined by a single capability. It has entered what experts call the general intelligence phase, where systems can perform multiple cognitive tasks and adapt to new ones without explicit programming. Models like OpenAI's GPT-5, released in 2025, have introduced advanced reasoning, improved accuracy, and the ability to process massive amounts of information in real time. They can not only respond to questions, but interpret emotions, summarize research, and design solutions. At the same time, Google DeepMind's Gemini 2.0 and Gemini Robotics have extended AI beyond digital boundaries, combining vision, language, and action. These systems allow robots to perceive environments, learn tasks independently, and interact naturally with humans. In China, the Qwen model series by Alibaba and Baidu's ErnieBot continue to push the frontiers of multilingual and cross-domain AI. Meanwhile, open models like Gemma have made powerful intelligence accessible to independent developers, universities, and startups, democratizing what was once limited to a few large corporations. This combination of accessibility and innovation has triggered what many call the second AI revolution. Artificial intelligence is rapidly integrating into the systems that keep the world running. In healthcare, AI models now analyze scans, detect diseases, and design personalized treatments faster and more accurately than human specialists in some cases. AI-driven diagnostic systems are already being used to identify cancers, predict heart disease, and even detect neurological disorders before symptoms appear. In education, AI tutors adapt to each student's pace and learning style. They translate lessons into multiple languages instantly, creating a universal classroom where every learner has access to quality education. In finance, AI systems monitor billions of transactions every second, identifying fraud, forecasting market movements, and managing investments with precision. Governments and public services are also adopting AI. In Abu Dhabi, the launch of TAM AutoGov, the world's first AI-powered public servant, demonstrated how governments can automate essential services, anticipate citizen needs, and reduce bureaucracy through machine reasoning. In manufacturing, AI-driven robotics are increasing productivity and safety, taking on dangerous and repetitive tasks while human workers focus on creative and supervisory roles. And in the creative industries, AI-generated music, film, and design are challenging the definition of art itself, proving that creativity can exist in collaboration between humans and machines. The next phase of AI development is about autonomy. Instead of waiting for commands, AI systems are learning to make independent decisions based on goals, feedback, and context. These are called AI agents, and they represent a major leap forward. Agent-based systems can plan, reason, and execute multi-step tasks without constant human input. Salesforce's Agentforce 360 platform, for example, uses such agents to automate complex workflows across customer service, logistics, and finance. Meanwhile, AI is becoming multimodal, capable of processing and integrating different forms of information at once. This means a single system can read a text, watch a video, listen to a voice, and connect all those inputs into a unified understanding. It allows AI to act more naturally, interpreting context the way humans do. The combination of AI with robotics is transforming physical industries. Robots are no longer limited to pre-programmed routines. With vision language action models, they can adapt to their surroundings and perform dynamic tasks, from assembling machinery to assisting in surgery. Projects like Gemini Robotics, Tesla's Optimus, and Boston Dynamics AI integration show how AI is moving from screens to real-world interaction. Future robots will not only understand spoken commands, but predict human needs, collaborate in workplaces, and provide assistance in homes, hospitals, and disaster zones. The result will be a new kind of labor force, where humans and intelligent machines work side by side. Another major trend shaping the future is personalization. AI systems are beginning to understand individual preferences, tailoring content, recommendations, and even voice tones to match personal identity. Edge AI, where computation happens locally on devices rather than in distant data centers, will make these interactions faster, more private, and more energy efficient. Smartphones, wearables, and vehicles will soon contain powerful on-device models capable of reasoning without connecting to the internet. This will bring AI into the intimate spaces of daily life, private, responsive, and always available. The rise of AI brings enormous opportunities, but also complex ethical and social challenges. Job displacement, data privacy, bias, and accountability are among the most debated topics. AI systems learn from human data, and that data often contains human bias. If not managed carefully, these systems could amplify inequality, misinformation, and discrimination. There is also growing concern about autonomous decision-making, especially in critical areas like law enforcement, warfare, and healthcare. Who should be responsible when an AI makes a mistake? At the same time, the concentration of AI power among a few global corporations raises questions about transparency and fairness. Governments are now working on new AI regulations, such as the EU's AI Act, to ensure safety, accountability, and responsible innovation. Yet as much as regulation is needed, innovation must continue. The balance between progress and protection will define how AI shapes our world. Looking forward, the next decade of AI will focus on 5 key areas. 1. General reasoning and contextual understanding, making AI capable of logical, step-by-step reasoning and long-term memory. 2. Video and 3D generation, allowing machines to create realistic motion, environments, and interactive simulations. 3. Human-AI collaboration, blending machine intelligence with human intuition for problem-solving. 4. Decentralized and sustainable AI, reducing energy use and democratizing access. 5. AI alignment and ethics, ensuring AI systems reflect human values and remain under human control. Some experts predict that within 10 years, AI will design new materials, discover medicines, and possibly help solve climate change. Others warn of over-reliance, misinformation, and job automation. Both possibilities are real, and both depend on how we guide this technology from here. The future of artificial intelligence will not be defined by machines alone. It will be defined by the choices we make, how we build, regulate, and integrate this power into our world. AI is not replacing humanity, it is amplifying it. It is extending the reach of human creativity, logic, and understanding beyond biological limits. As AI continues to evolve, it challenges us to evolve too, ethically, intellectually, and socially. Because in the end, artificial intelligence is a mirror of human intelligence. Its future will reflect our intentions, our discipline, and our vision for what kind of world we want to build. The question is not whether AI will shape the future, because it already is. The question is whether we will shape it wisely.